I haven't posted in a couple weeks. I've been really busy, but I'm working on some pretty interesting stuff. So, I've been working on my yard a lot too, which is just a disaster ever since the tree branch took out my little storage shed that I had going out there. And I've also been doing a bunch of gardening. My whole backyard is basically crops now. But I've been working on this little 302. I'll talk about that a little bit. I'm ready to fire up this 302 right here. I just need a fuel line and a couple other things. The breather cap is on its way. I put these new brake lines on. This originally was a manual drum brake. Now it's power drum brake. And I had to order these longer lines. But they came with fittings, everything. So I'm pretty happy with that. I already have front brakes. As I said, they're drum brakes. And I've just been doing body work and getting this thing ready for paint. I got to paint the rest of the inside here. Finish putting together the few things on the dash. As you can see, it's already really straight because this is all brand new sheet metal. And I've done some things like in here, put the seam sealer in, sand it down, make it all look nice. But then I'm also working on this 302 over here. This is, I think the block is an 80, and the heads are 78. Just stock 302 stuff. As you can see, it's got a double roller already on it. This isn't a rebuild. It's just a refresh. This thing had a problem with a couple pistons. Luckily, my buddy had the correct pistons for this. They're 30 over flat tops. And so I replaced a couple pistons, but the bearings were good. This thing, as you can see, look how tight that is. It really wasn't a lot of mileage. It sat, and for some reason there was some corrosion on the top of one of the pistons. So I just went through this head. I lapped the valve, which I'm finishing up over here. If you've never seen that before, you put this valve grinding compound, which that one's almost out, and I still have a few to finish, on the valve there. And you put it in there, and then you twist it. You can either use a tool, some people use a drill, and you can hear it, and that just smooths out that valve seat, and it will help seal it better. And I'm putting valve stem seals, so I'll be getting this motor all put together in the next week. I'll show you that when I'm done.